Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create and verify crypto.com account. So in order to do this, you first have to download and install the crypto.com mobile application in your device, and then you simply need to tap on its icon in order to launch it. Once done, on the home page you are going to see two different options. The first one is of create a new account and the second one is of login into your existing account. Now as you want to create a new account, you need to tap on create new account option. Once done, it will ask you to provide the email address. So in this section, you need to provide that particular email address on which you want to create your crypto.com account. Once done, you need to tap on the create new account option. Then it will show you that an email was sent on this email address. So you need to verify your email with the link to continue. So here you need to tap on open mail option, or what you can do is you can simply go to your Gmail account and then you just have to select that email in which you have received the link from crypto.com. Over here you need to press the create an account option and then you will be redirect on crypto.com website. Now here it is asking you to provide your phone number as well. So in this section, first you need to tap on the country code section and here you need to select your country. After selecting your country, you need to enter the mobile number over here. After entering the mobile number, you need to press continue in the bottom. Then it will say that a verification code has been sent to you on your registered mobile number. So you need to provide that verification code in this section and then your crypto.com account will be created. Now is the time to verify your crypto.com account. So in order to verify it, you will be able to see a verify option on the top. So you need to tap on verify and then you will be redirected on the next page where you will be asked to select that particular ID which you want to use to create or verify your crypto.com account. So you need to select any of the IDs that you have. It really depends on your own country. After that, you just have to upload the documents relating to the ID that you have selected and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to submit your verification request. Now once your verification request is approved, your account will be activated and now you will be able to use all of the features provided by crypto.com. So this is how you can easily create and verify crypto.com account. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.